Hello my dear friends. In this video we are going to see how to do this 3D hanging flower. Let's see the process. And for this project I am using stained glass or tiles, and I just crushed them and made little pieces. You can use a plastic bag or this kind of film, and I do these molds with aluminum foil. I already teach you how to do this in another video, and I'm using white resin, a really thin color, because I want some kind of transparency, and I am applying this in triangles to give another effect or appearance. And I will add a light pink as well. I won't put so much resin because the stones will take out a lot of space on this. And I will just add the crystals or stones, and I will give them some shape. All the pieces that I make tell the story, and I would love to share with you what I was thinking when I made this little project. And it's inspired by women like you and me, who, even being broken inside, are capable of creating beautiful things with these small pieces of love, frustration, pain, hope, fear. And at the end of the day, this is who we are, and it makes us beautiful, because you know what, you and I are beautiful. Okay, too much deep things for today, and we are going to mold this. I wait like 3 hours because this was a really thick piece, so I wait this time 3 hours, and I came to molding this. And as you see in camera, it's really easy to do it. Just use your fingers. Be careful because the little crystals are dangerous, and you have to do this really carefully. I suggest you to push the edges so carefully again, because this will leave the things really smooth. I let this cure the regular time for your resin, and I'm demolding this. I'm just taking out all the things that we don't need, and let me know what you think about this, what you think about the project, about the flower, about the meaning of the flower. Please leave a comment and share this content with your family and friends. And of course, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I want to show you that you have these two options to do the leaves, and these both works well. I think it's a pretty clean job, but I will sand a little bit anyway because I want this a little bit more smooth in the edge. And this is the final result for the petals. It's time to put everything together, and I will use as a base this acetate sheet. And I will place really well all the pieces and prepare a little bit more of resin. I have to be very careful in this part because I really want everything really well attached. And be careful with the drips because we don't want to damage our job. I just clean this with alcohol. Make sure every single leaf is touching the new crystals in the center. I suggest you to do this little by little because we have to make sure that this is really strong and resistant. Hey, don't forget to let me know your suggestion for the next video and your comments about this. And this is all for today's video. I hope you enjoy the process and of course find this really helpful. This is a project that reminds us of the beautiful things that all our pieces can create. Don't forget that you are valuable and beautiful. And don't let anyone makes you believe you are not. See you the next time. Bye bye.